Want to crochet this cute bow in just 5 minutes? Let's go! To make this beautiful bow, you need to crochet 2 identical strips. Let's start the first one with a slip knot. Now let's make chain stitches. Simply yarn over your hook and pull through the loop. Repeat this to make 30 chains in total. Now we will work slip stitches all the way down the chain. Skip the first chain and insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the chain and pull it directly through the loop on your hook. That is a slip stitch. Repeat this for every chain until the end. When you finish, your strip might curve into a spiral. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Just gently stretch and flatten it out with your hands. Now, cut your yoking yarn and pull it all the way through the loop on your hook to fasten off. Next, tie a few knots using both yarn tails together and trim the excess yarn. Our first piece is ready. Now you need to crochet an exactly identical second piece, but do not cut the yarn and do not fasten off. I will show you what to do next, because we will use this piece to make a figure 8 or an infinity side for our bow. Now let's turn our second strip into a ring. Cut your yarn, pull it through the loop, and thread it onto a yarn needle. Simply sew the two ends of the strip together to form a nice neat ring. Now let's shape our bow. Take the ring and pitch the center to form a figure 8, like an infinity sign. Place this on top of your first straight strip. Use a separate piece of yarn to wrap tightly around the middle to secure everything together. Tie a knot at the back and your bow is done. Your cute bow is all finished. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Let me know in the comments what color with you make your first bow.